Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to take notes in Asana. Whether you're documenting meeting discussions, planning your week, or keeping track of important project details, Asana's notes feature gives you a dedicated space to organize your thoughts right alongside your tasks. Let's start by heading over to Asana. Once you're in, open the project where you want to take notes. This could be any active project you're managing, whether it's a team workspace or a personal planning board. Having your notes directly within the relevant project keeps everything connected and easy to find. Now look near the top of your project page and click the plus button. This opens up a menu of different view types you can add to your project. From the options that appear, select Note. This creates a dedicated note page that lives within your project structure. You'll see a field that says Add a Title. Click on it and type your note's name. This could be something like weekly planning, meeting notes, or project brainstorm. Whatever fits what you're documenting. Below that, you'll notice an area that says Start Typing or type / for menu. Click within that space and begin writing your notes. It's a blank canvas where you can capture ideas, action items, or any information you need to record. Here's where things get really useful. Type a / anywhere in the note body to open the Formatting and Insert menu. This brings up a range of formatting options you can apply to structure your notes properly. You'll see options like heading for section titles, bulleted list for quick points, numbered list for sequential items, and even table for organizing data. Just scroll down through the options that appear to find one that suits your needs. This formatting capability helps you turn raw thoughts into organized, readable notes. At the bottom of your note, you'll notice Asana suggests a few templates like meeting notes, project background, or key resources. If any of these fit what you're working on, click one to instantly create a pre-formatted note. These templates save time and ensure you capture the right information every time. Now here's a powerful feature. If you highlight any text in your note, you can click Create Task at the top. This converts that note item into an actionable project task, bridging the gap between documentation and execution. It's perfect for capturing action items during meetings. To create additional notes or use other templates, simply repeat the process. Click the plus button, select Note, and choose a new title and format. You've now set up a structured note-taking system within Asana that keeps your documentation and tasks working together. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.